Hey y'all, this your girl Pauline from my crafting hut coming to you on this blessed Sunday morning. Hope everyone is doing well. I am here with a dilemma this morning. I'm working on this concept and I'm not sure if I'm pulling it off. So I need some advice. Y'all help me with this. Tell me what you think because I don't think this is a traditional Valentine gift basket, but I'm trying to get rid of this stuffed animal. And yeah, so tell me if you think I'm pulling this off. All right. So what before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you for watching the video. Thank you to all of my subscribers for sticking with me. I do appreciate you. For anyone watching that's not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like and the share, and comment. I would like to hear from you. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and show you the dilemma that I have here. So, what I have here is this stuffed animal. And I didn't glue anything down yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to really use it. I don't know. I think I can pull it off because to somebody it's gonna look beautiful, I guess. Anyways, so what I have this stuffed animal, like I said, I stuffed the bottom of my this little box here with foam and a couple small boxes as a high riser to raise this little puffy up. And what I did was I put a bow around the neck and I put a couple little bling bling on there. So hopefully that would be an attraction. And I plan on having it sit like that so that instead of just seeing the animal face, they'll see the little decoration there. I also have here one of these little coin purses that I got from Timu a while back. And I have me a loofah. I have a hair candle. And I am using, let's flip that up. I'm using some of these products that we got from Top Shelf. So, oh, okay. So yeah. So I have the lotion, the cream, and the scrub. And I'm gonna have to let's see a little spot there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay. So anyway, so yeah. So this is the concept. Oh, and this here. Mm, this I got from Top Shelf, and I think it was right after Easter. And I thought I would put that in there to kind of brighten this concept up. So yeah, so that's what I came up with for this. Now, like I said, I know it's not a traditional stuffed animal probably that people would give for Valentine, but I think with the right eye catching the idea. Everything's falling. But anyways, like I said, it's not glued together yet. So I'm just testing this out. So yeah, so tell me what you think, y'all. I am going to leave this and well, I can't lift it up because nothing's glued and it's all falling apart. But anyways, I think y'all got the idea of what I'm trying to do here. But yeah, I'm going to wait to glue this together because I really want to hear back whether or not you think somebody would love this little animal here. And if this, what about the flower? Should I change this? I also have, I also have this little one right here. And I thought that maybe I can use this in the concept, but I'll have to probably make it work something like that. Yes, something like that. So yeah, so tell me what you think, guys. Okay, I'd like to hear from you. And once I finalize the concept and wrap it, I'm gonna go ahead and post it as a short. So if you made it this far through the video, thank you for watching. I do appreciate all of you. And I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to your feedback. And until the next video, God bless and see ya.